Today, we'll be taking a look at the majestic Niagara Falls. Located between the USA and Canada. Our view will be from the United States side. Located in Buffalo City, New York State. Lovely weather it has turned out to be. So let's just continue and see what's going on. Niagara Falls and Reservation. That's a fall and the adjacent land surrounding it was established 140 years ago. With over 7 million visitors each year, and it's open all year round. There's a story about an American who was the first person to jump or leap over the fall without a safety gear, and he did survive. He wasn't so lucky the next time he tried. That was 14 years later, in an inflated ball. They found his body about 12 miles downriver, weeks after they found the ball empty.